All right, welcome back to
What's Hatching?
Yeah, we're better at it now. Last episode was really bad.
Kaya nga eh.
We got it right this time. So
Yes.
today we will be discussing the question given to us by our producer. What is the best food business to start on a budget?
Wow.
If you're on a budget, what is the best food business? I guess it's good to start with maybe sharing the story of our first food businesses.
Yun.
Yan.
So, Prime.
Oo. Yan. Okay. Ang pinakauna natin.
Back to you, Dan. Actually, si Dan talaga.
So, Prime. Snack Attack, right?
Yeah.
Snack Attack.
Yung
Tell us the
dating
story.
business ko is Snack Attack. So baka, wait lang guys baka ano nyo, yung Snack Attack ngayon, hindi yun. Hindi
It's
yun.
different.
Yeah.
Mm.
Dati yun, yung dati. So, wala pang Snack Attack nung Snack Attack ngayon. So, meron na ako. So, mga snack yun, which is yung mga fries, parang mga shakes.
Mm.
Tapos, meron akong mga Mexican halo-halo nachos. Uso kasi nung bata ako yung tagli 5 pisong nachos.
Mm.
Yes.
Alam mo
yes.
yun? Tapos nalagay, okay na yan, alis ka na, 5 piso. Tapos, kalaban mo, katabi mo din. Pasarapan kayo ng kamatis.
and cheese.
Yes.
Oh.
So, yun yung dati ko business. Tsaka mga quesadillas, sandwich. So, yun, halo-halo na siya. So, yun dati kong business.
Mga kailan ka nagsimula? No? Like, at what age? Or...
Bata pa ako noon. Like, 19 years old ako noon.
Oh.
Tapos, 2012. Ay, 2012.
And
Yeah.
why? Why did
Yes,
you?
oo.
Actually, before naging Snack Attack yun, is may partner kasi ako noon before. Like, ang gusto niya, yung place kasi na for rent noon before is sobrang mura lang, like 3,000 a month lang before. So, nung in-start namin yun, katabi nun is gulayan, meat shop, so ganun. So, gusto niya gulayan.
Mm.
So, nag-start yun ng gulay.
Okay.
Pero bata pa lang ako, creative na ako. Like,
Oo.
gusto ko yung gulayan natin, yung pabira ako lang ata yung gulayan doon ng mga may storage pa na separate dapat yan, may design.
Wow.
Oh,
Gumawa ako
nice.
ng
May
parang
branding.
kiosk na agad na gulayan. Ako lang yun yung pahagdan-hagdan.
Oh. Kakaiba nga siya, di
Oo,
ba?
tapos may
Kakaiba.
drawing. Doon pa lang guys, creative na talaga ako. May drawing yun. May mga drawing ng gulay agad. So doon ako nag-start. Tapos, sabi ng partner, kasi gulay, okay, sige. Kasi yung partner ko, yung parents niya yung nagpuhunan noon. Kasi yung sila, medyo mahilig talaga sila sa business. So, sabi ko, okay. Siyempre, pera nila yun. Okay. Tapos, nalugi.
Ayun
Yun.
lang. Why?
Nalugi
Oo nga.
kasi ang dami ng gulay doon. Kasi pag mga gulay, guys, madalas, kapag hindi ka matagal na sa gulayan, huwag ka na magtayo. Kasi
Oh.
suki-suki yan eh.
That's right.
Totoo.
Hindi din pababaan din. Isa din yung pababaan, pero madalas sukian. Pag suki na, doon ka bumili kila ate nenang mo, ganyan. So doon na talaga sila bumibili.
Suki mentality.
Yeah.
Oo,
Kasi you're
yung-
offering the same product din eh.
Oo, so
Di ba?
ngayon di na kami pinapansin, especially bata pa kami. Parang hindi namin
Sabagay.
kachismisan
Oo nga.
yung mga matatanda. Di ba,
Marites.
Oo. Mare, kamusta? Bibili lang si Buyas, chismisan pa lang yung pinunta doon.
So malaking effect pala ang pagiging marites din.
Yes, sa gulayan.
Oo, sa business.
Oo, sa gulayan yan. Tapos yun, tapos sabi ko, ako kasi mahilig na talaga ako sa snacks. Bago pa ako mag-open nung snack attack na yon, yung kapitbahay namin nagbebenta ng burger. Sa kanya siya gumagawa ng patty. Ganyan lang kaliit dati. Hindi ko alam yung mga
Oo.
millennials dyan, baka naabutan yan. Yung patago mong binibenta sa school, bili mo to, kamahingay kay mama. Kasi may recess kami.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Yes,
bigay mo to. Sabi ko,
Meron sa amin na brownies. As in,
Oo, di ba?
meron siyang Tupperware ng brownies, tapos talagang suki siya ng
Sa amin before polvoron, yung may
Oo, yan,
chocolate.
diba? Oo. So, bawal yun, diba?
Oo,
Lalo pag yari ka sa teacher mo. Ako patago ako. Sino gusto ng burger yan? Doon ako nag-start. Mahilig na talaga ako sa snack. Kasi grade 2 ata ako noon or grade 4. Hindi ko alam eh. Pero nandun na sa elementary pala ako. Like grade 4 siguro. Medyo may utak na ako. Grade 2 hindi pa eh. Hindi ko na maalala yung pinagagawa ko noon eh. So, yun, dun pa lang, mahilig na ako sa mga sandwich. Binibenta ko yun. Alam nyo guys, magkano lang 5 piso. Nakalito.
Wow.
piso. Nung unang panahon pa yun,
grabe.
Wow.
Super sulit na yun,
Oo,
di ba?
so 5 piso, binibili ko lang yun ng 2 pesos.
Wow.
Pwede na.
Oo, tapos bebenta ko ng 5, so tumubo ako.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
More
So, ganun.
than.
Yeah.
Yes.
More than, ah.
So mautak ako sa order ka bukas? Ano?
Oo nga.
Oh, di ba?
So,
pa-order
technically, yun
ako.
yung first business
Yes,
mo.
oh.
Yes, ayun talaga. Yung maliit na yun.
Mm.
Ayun, tapos yung kapitbahay din namin sabi, uy, maglako ka ng empanada. Sabi ko, sabi sa'yo, 5 piso, benta mo 10. Ganun, laki nito Sabi,
Oo
2
nga.
pesos, from 10 pesos. Sabi ko, tubo ako dito. So, nilalako ko yun. Nilalako ko yun sa mga, halos umaabot na ako ng ibang
Binibili naman.
barangay. Oo, ubos yun lagi.
Oh,
Kaya
solid.
tuwa yung nung may-ari nung gumagawa. Kasi lagi, hindi ako umuwi nang hindi ubos yun.
Wow.
So, sobrang empanada! So, ganun. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Nag-outsource ako nung marunong gumawa.
Yan.
So, yun yung
Ikaw na
tama.
more on sales lang. Ikaw na
Oo, sa
taga-benta.
Taga-benta.
Oo.
Tuwa yung
Okay.
mga matatanda sa akin. Kasi ang bata, imagine mo, grade 4 ka, naglalako ka doon. Tapos,
Oo nga.
pili na po kayo, ma'am.
Oh.
Di ba? So, doon ako nag-start.
Okay, so you didn't start cooking. You started
Yes.
outsourcing.
Yes, outsourcing ako.
Selling talaga.
So, wala kang puhunan. Doon yun yung pinakamagandang business. Wala kang puhunan.
So
Siyempre
that's,
siya eh.
that's one way to do it. You find someone with a product and then you sell it for them.
Yes, yun. Yun
Yeah,
yung
yeah.
isang food business na pwede mong outsource. No? Ma-outsource ka.
Reselling.
Yes,
Maraming
reselling.
ganyan nung pandemic.
Kung wala kang pera talaga. Pero kung may puhunan ka, yun na nga, yung napunta ako doon, sabi ko, nakatak talaga yung hilig ko, yung mga sandwich, tsaka kung ano-anong snack. Dinadayo pa ako noon. Dati, dinadayo ako. Kaso, yun, nung tinayo ko yun, hindi ako yung nagpuhunan talaga nun yung parents ng partner ko.
How did you convince them?
Nalugi na sila eh. Ano pang choice nila? Diba? Lugi na kayo. Sara natin yan. Hindi, nilaban ko. Sabi ko, wag, palitan natin. Kasi inuna ko muna yung idea nila. Tapos nalugi sila. So, idea ko na. Nalugi din.
Ayun
Wag,
lang.
sara na tayo lahat.
Hindi nag-work yung dalawa.
Oo, hindi talaga. So, nalugi. So, yun yung nangyari. So, yun yung una kong business nung dati.
How long did it last?
9 months.
9 months. Almost a year.
Oo, almost din. Pero 9 months din akong lugi. Walang panalo. So, nagtiyaga talaga ako. So, yun.
Experience ang panalo.
Oo, correct.
Yes.
So, yun
No
yung
such thing as failure, only learnings.
So, yun yung isang masasuggest ko na, yun nga, anong magandang food business. Yun nga, first, maraming food talaga. Pero yun nga, kung paano ako nag-start, yun yung pwede nyong gayahin.
Outsource.
Kayo ng product na, sample, example lang, ito, si Gab is may beans sila. Pwede mong i-consignment yung beans.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Benta mo yung product
More
nila.
expensive.
Yes. Diba? Yun, yung mga
Markupan,
ganun. At least
diba?
wala kayong puhunan.
Yes.
Diba? Puhunan eh.
So what's the pros and cons of consigning or marking up or selling something that you didn't make?
Pros and cons. Siguro yung good muna doon sa part na yun. So yung kagandahan doon is yun nga, wala kang ilalabas na pera. Second is, syempre, ilan kayo yung nagbebenta nun sa market.
Yeah.
Like,
Understand the market first, di
Oo,
ba?
yeah.
Oo.
Kung sample nun, ina-outsource nyo yung sample lang sabon, di ba? Nag-outsource kayo, best yan, wala kang phone, sige, benta mo yung sabon ko. Tapos, binibenta rin pala ng kapitbahay
Yun
nung
lang.
pinagbebentahan mo. So,
Oo
yun lang
nga.
yung pinaka-problem kasi same brand kayo ng ibebenta.
Saturation.
Yes, saturated na magiging saturated na yung magiging product. So, yun yung nakita ko.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oo.
O yan. Gab.
Naku.
Pasok
da-
ka.
Ako naman. Layo ng naging backstory nun. Way back in the elementary
Oo
days.
nga eh.
Actually, napapaisip ako eh. Kasi feeling ko may experience na ako before eh.
Your first business, if I'm not mistaken, bags, right?
Yeah, my first...
Bags. But your first food business is this.
No. Actually, I'm not sure kasi hindi ako super part of that. But siguro part ako in terms of marketing. So the first business in terms of food is Ube Pandesal. So that was in 2020.
During the pandemic?
During the pandemic siya. Di ba umuso ang sushi bake and Ube Pandesal that
Yun
Oo,
time?
talaga.
nauso
Tsaka
talaga.
yung
Yes.
Dalgona coffee.
Dalgona
Ano bang
coffee.
meron dun nung mga panahon na yun?
I don't
Hindi
get
ako
it.
masyadong makain.
I've never tried ube cheese pandesal
Ay, wow.
my whole life.
Nako, magdadala
Alam mo
kami
na,
dito.
dito lang sa kapitbahay.
Ayan.
Oo. Ba't ibang take yung sa amin?
Okay.
But anyways,
How did you make yours different?
yeah, actually, it is the business of my brothers. Sila talaga yung into baking.
So they made it from scratch.
Yes, sila nag-experiment, sila gumawa ng research and development, nag-R&D muna sila, bumili sila ng mga different ube pandesal and then they tasted it. Now,
And
anong
you can
difference?
say yours is the best.
Yes, I mean, without bias. I mean, yun yung
Why do you stop?
So we stopped kasi nga, ang case kasi nun is we rely on a certain, like a friend of ours that's doing the sales. So ang laki ng sale namin dun sa BPO. I mean,
Parang may prime ka nun.
parang ganon.
May taga-benta ka.
Yes, parang ganon kay
Oo.
Prime. Ang difference lang is kami yung gumagawa. Ayan, kami yung gumagawa. So, may isang sales kami, nakamotor din siya. So, binibigyan namin siya ng product. Then, siya yung nagbebenta sa different like friends, relatives. And then, may cut siya ng profit.
And so when he stopped,
Ayun, hindi din namin saan
Pilay
kami
na.
magbenta. So, ayun. So, that's the reason why. And then, that's the time na medyo nag-slow down na ang sushi bake, ube pandesal,
Hindi na
dago
ganun
na
ka-hype.
coffee trend. Hindi na siya ganun ka-hype. So, ayun, that's the end of it. But actually, we made a profit there. We are proud to say na nakabili kami ng brand new refrigerator.
wow!
Sana all meron.
Hindi na lugi, diba?
Sa
Okay
akin
na
nalugi.
din. I mean, nabuhay
Ryan
kami
left the
dahil,
group.
I mean, at some point, diba? At some point, naka-ano naman siya ng something. Diba?
Alright.
Ayun. So, yun yung first na exposure. But I'm not actually 100% on that because I'm currently employed by that time. So, yung brothers ko
50-50.
talaga, yes, yung brothers ko talaga, sila talaga
100%
yung
sila.
100%. So, I must say, with my involvement dito sa kape, sa Bean Block, which is, ito yung second ko na coffee. Ang first is MD Brews.
Okay.
So, it's a
It's
e-commerce.
now, It's now yung sauces. Yung,
Yes, the sauces. It started-
It's not sauces, what do you call that?
Sauce syrups.
Syrup.
Coffee sauce and
Syrups.
syrup. So, it first started like, with my girlfriend. So, siya talaga nag-conceptualize ng idea.
Kasi si
nga-
Doc.
Yes,
MD.
medicine student siya. So, super like ng doctors ng coffee kasi kailangan daw nila yon. So, yun. Nag-start siya with the Derp Coffees. Derp Coffees, nirepack namin in small packages, in small corrugated boxes. Then, we sell it in Shopee.
Okay.
So, doon kami nagsimula. Alright. So, medyo lumaki siya. Ang ganda ng sales namin that time. And then, doon namin nakita, umuuso ngayon yung maliliit na bottles. So, why not we try that out? We try it out. So, nag-try kami. Nag-try kami. We purchased different coffee sauces and syrups and then we try to repackage it in smaller bottles. Na-appreciate siya ng market. Why? Kasi nga,
Sachet mentality.
yes,
Gusto
tingi-tingi.
ng Pinoy yung ganyan.
Kung siya, suki mentality, sachet
Sachet
mentality.
Sa'yo kaya.
Oo.
Kaya,
So bakit nga ba daw ganun? Kasi nga, they don't want, or maybe our market don't want to spend that much amount sa malaking bagay na something na hindi na nila gagamitin.
Hindi sila,
For a long period of time.
Hindi sila nagko-commit. Ay,
Yes. For them, so for them, they just want to
Yan
try
pala
the
to.
product. Ayun.
Mali pala yung pinasukan kong podcast.
Ayun.
hindi mahilig
dun-
mag-commit ang Pilipino. Ayan.
Yun. Actually, may add-on pa doon eh. Yung nag-scale yung business namin, kumuha kami ng outsourced warehousing to do the fulfillment for us.
Ayun.
Yeah, so that's another topic.
And
if
how did that-
fulfillment works
How
talaga.
did that go? It was good.
My experience, it was good in the first place, but the costing really
Didn't
medyo
make
ang laki
sense.
ng cost na in the long run.
Okay. So yan, I feel like that's a totally different discussion altogether.
Yes, it's a different
Because
discussion.
it's another business model. Pero how much did it take to start
Yun.
the MD Brews?
Yeah, so for the MD Brews, it's just like, you're just reselling coffee. So you buy from different like suppliers, tapos you just have to rebrand it.
Yeah.
And then, cost lang nun is roughly around below 5,000 pesos pa ata.
So you can start it with 5,000.
Yeah, much better. Ay, much lower pa nga sa iba eh. Kasi right now, ang dami ng drip coffees. The only difference before and now is madami na talagang drip coffees in the market. They are offering it in weddings, baptismal, like celebrations, events. Nagiging
So
na siya.
how do you make yours different?
Yeah, so we make ours different by packing it like into boxes. So, yun
Kumbaga
na.
naka-ano na siya.
Naka-gift set na siya. Parang gift set.
Ah,
And
pwede
then,
mong-
yeah.
Mahal, magkape ka para tumapang ka naman sa naglaban ako.
May mga ganun.
Para mag-commit ka na. Ay,
Oo, mag-commit ka na. Tapos may
Commit ka
sauce
naman.
pampatamis.
Yun.
Ang
Ayun.
sweet
Hindi lang
naman.
pwedeng
Sweet na sweet.
pait. Pait at tamis magkasama tayo.
Yung, may mga hugot talaga. But
Anyway.
ayun.
anyway.
Anyway.
Sorry.
Yung sa Snack Attack, how much did they invest in that business?
Kasi yun nga, nire-brand kasi siya. So, pero kung i-start namin kung paano siya, start nung una muna siya, kung magkano muna yung pinuhunan, syempre deposit like 3,000 kasi. So, 1 month, 2 months, 6,000.
Ouch.
Tapos, plus yung pinagawa kong parang kalokohan kong cart na may drawing na puro gulay, di naman pinansin. Na, ewan ko ba?
Sino nag-drawing nun?
Ako, kami
Wow,
nung
artist, di ba?
pinsan ko. Kasi gusto ko gulay-gulay. Nag-architect siya. Kumbaga nag-architect siya. So sabi ko, mag-design ka ng pang-architect kariton. Alam mo yung, promise kong makita niyo yan. Minsan
Hindi naging
i-post ko nga
portfolio
yun.
niya na pala.
Actually, may posting ako nun, tapos tontuwa pa ako. Alam mo, kala mo million na yung ano.
Oo, syempre.
Yung pala yung kariton na yun.
How much?
Ang kariton na yun, siguro more or less nasa 5,000 na that time.
And then, initial food inventory.
Inventory, yun yung medyo mataas, 10K.
Oh, malaki-laki din pala.
So, to start, it was around 20.
Yan. 6 plus 5.
And then may monthly ka pang like
Yun,
list,
mga
di ba?
ganon.
Oh, around
Yun,
20,
mga ganon,
25.
20 to 25. That time. Ewan
But
ko lang ngayon.
that time, do you employ a staff or kayo-kayo lang din?
Ako ang taga, lahat.
Ikaw na,
ako
all
taga-bili, ako taga-benta, ako taga-isip.
All around.
All around.
Yun.
Kahit saan mo makikita mo, asa si Prime, doon lahat.
Ganun
So-
talaga pag
So,
nagsisimula.
pansin mo, I'm avoiding to talk.
Oo nga.
Bakit?
Ba't
Siniskip-skip ko lang kayong dalawa para hindi na ako magsalita.
Eh, ikaw naman.
Makaalis na.
Oo nga.
Sakit pa naman yung lalamunan ko ngayon.
Now, ano naman, let's put a spotlight kay Dan.
Well,
Dan, ikaw
actually,
naman.
Pasok,
I kind
Dan.
of already talked about it in the previous episodes, right? But since eto naman, the discussion here is the budget. So the budget. So I started Presto with 75,000 pesos.
Nako. Laki pala, no?
Laki pala nun, no?
And I got the funding from... did I share how I got the funding? No.
I think di pa.
So I used to attend the seminars na stock trading.
Oh, okay.
So I would attend just to study, stock trading seminars. And then after, alam mo naman ako mukhang mayaman, di ba? So nakasuit ako lagi, di ba? So na-approach ako ng broker. Pinin ako ng card. Sir, if you want to trade,
Yun, no?
ganyan. Oh. So kinuha ko yung card. And then fast forward, I think I said the story, no? Yung
It's a
nagpaano
good
siya.
way to recollect. Or,
So basically, he randomly called me kasi yung private chef niya nag-MIA.
okay.
And sa kwentuhan namin, yung quick exchange namin, sabi niya, naalala niya, Dan, di ba sabi mo you can cook?
Mhm.
Yung private chef namin nag-bail.
Okay.
So maybe, you want to cook?
Oo nga.
Sige, this is my, give me the money. Tapos yung funds na inask ko is 5,000 lang. So I did grocery with the 5,000. Pero ang niluto ko, so nagluto ako doon, private kitchen, nagluto ako. 'Di ba? Pero yung niluto ko yung menu ko sa food business ko. Hindi niya alam
Di
yun.
alam,
diba?
oo.
So, and then what happened was, he basically said, you should make this into a food business. Sabi ko, well, that's actually the plan. I just need capital.
Tama.
That's when he wrote me the check.
Wow.
Wow, that instant?
Yeah, he said, magkano ba? Sabi ko, mga 100,000. To, 75.
Ako,
Saka yan.
laki na agad. When I was
Inabot
your
mo
age, super laki na yan.
It was huge. I
Diba?
was holding the check. I was shaking. I was looking
Anong
at
gagawin mo doon?
Gano'n ka-shake
Diba?
yun, Dan? Gano'n
Seryoso
ka-shake?
ba?
Gano'n ka-shake yun, Dan? Yeah.
Seryoso ba? Sabi ko, yeah, barya lang sa akin yan. Kasi for him, like his clients give him 50,000 minimum just to open an account. Kasi he's a
Oh,
broker,
grabe.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Just to open an account, 'di ba? So sabi niya 75, barya lang sa akin 'yan. Sabi ko, okay, pero this will change my life, I told him. With this, I can change my life. That 75,000 literally paid for the rest of my college education.
Wow.
Because of Presto, the food business. So,
Imagine from 75, you scale it up like,
oh yeah, 7
Millions?
Four branches, 'di ba?
wow.
Pero we
Grabe.
rebranded na nun, 'di ba? Yun, so 75. Ako pinakamalaki pala sa atin.
Oo.
Yeah, laki nga
Ano
dun
lang
eh.
kasi
Nagulat
ako
nga ako
wala
eh.
eh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So pero doon din yung talent ko, yun yung natuklasan ko. Yung talent ko is fundraising talaga.
Oo.
Ever since talaga fundraising talaga yung talent.
Which is a good way to start like get money talaga.
correct.
It's
And
another way.
every business owner needs funds.
Oo.
Mhm.
Ako din, Dan, kaya ko din racing lang.
Ano?
Racing.
Raise the roof.
Tagalagay ng race.
Race.
Alam mo yung racing na ano?
Racing.
Taga-race.
Sakit ng ulo ko sa'yo. Anyway, so next, na-mention na natin yung mga stories natin. May interesting question na if we were
kinakabahan
given
ako
a
dyan.
certain budget, anong gagawin mo? Wala, ito yung budget mo. Anong business na gagawin mo dito? So let's say, hypothetically, the budget is 10,000 pesos. As in,
Okay.
you have 10,000 pesos, no more, no less. And you had to start a food business, ha? It has to be food.
Oo nga, Dan.
Oo nga. Oo nga, Dan. Paano nga ba?
Ano ba, Danny?
Wow, 10,000 pesos, food business.
75 yung puhunan niya.
75
Parang
nga eh.
hindi niya ata kakayanin yung
Oo nga.
10K.
Kulang ata
In
yun
this
eh.
day and age, 10,000 pesos food business. I would probably get into desserts. I would get
Bakit
into
dessert?
desserts because I noticed when I put sugar in my ingredient, whatever I cook, if I put sugar in it, it sells. I think because we're hardwired
Yeah.
biologically to respond to sugar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi may dopamine yun eh.
And sugar
You
is
know?
cheap.
Yeah.
Sugar is cheap.
Yeah.
Actually, as Filipinos, like sweet ano din eh.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sweet tooth.
Yeah, di ba?
So
Oo.
now the question is, 10,000 pesos, what kind of dessert? So then I would do some market research. So right now, ano ba yung uso ngayon na dessert? 'Di ba?
Mga pa uso ngayon.
It is, it's 2023 now. I'm trying to think in the market. Ako, you know what I would do? I know exactly what I would do now. I would do suman.
Oh.
I would start
Bakit nga ba suman?
I would
Instant
start a
mada ba yan?
suman business because you know I love suman so much, but at the time I get home, because I work late, right? And I get home mga 10 o'clock na. Most of the stores they close at 9,
Oh.
right? And like if you're on GrabFood or Food Panda, wala na, closed na. Most of the stores closed
Yeah,
na.
yeah.
So at like 9 p.m., 10 p.m., there's no place you can buy suman.
Yeah, tama din naman. Wala kang di masyadong nakita.
diba?
Wait
Oo.
lang. Tanong natin sila. Meron nga ba?
May live
Meron.
audience. May live audience.
Oh,
tayo,
for the
diba?
audience. Oo.
There's no suman at that time. And you know what I really love with suman? Coconut, yung coconut
The jam
Parang
itself.
gusto ko na magtayo ng
Jam. Oh
suman
my
bukas.
God.
24 hours.
coconut jam? Diba?
Yeah.
Come on.
Like, you
Am I
Suman
alone?
ni Dan.
Suman latik?
Sumandan.
Ni Dan.
Suman ni Dan.
Suman ni Dan.
10,000 pesos. Suman and jarred.
Sumani ka?
Suman and jarred coco jam.
Oh,
Wow.
in jar.
In jars.
Wow, that's unique.
Bago yun,
Yeah,
bago.
bago nga yun. Kasi ngayon,
Ano ba yung
mga-
bagay with suman? Kape, diba?
Kape.
Ano ba yung tsura ng suman?
So,
It depends ka ano yung tsura ng
so,
suman. Kasi kung in
hindi.
jar siya,
So,
siyempre ikakap mo na
nakalimutan
yun.
ko na.
Hindi, yung nirarap, yung ganun.
Kasi alam mo, iba yung nakikita ko suman. Tingnan mo, magkaiba tayo.
Oh,
Alam
ano
mo,
yung
nakikita
suman
ko,
na?
Isa yung yellow.
Yung yellow,
Hindi,
oh.
yung binalot ng saging.
Yung ganon.
Oo,
Hindi.
suman ba
Hindi
yun?
bagay
Tama.
sa ano yun. Hindi bagay sa coco jam yun.
Hindi, I mean, ayun yung suman na nakita ko sa utak ko. Yung suman pala yung yellow.
So, anong
Yeah.
suman yung sinasabi ko? Yung yellow?
Yung may-
yung rice.
Rice suman, yes.
Rice
suman.
Rice
Usual.
suman.
Oo.
Hira ka naman. Sabi ko, ano ba yung suman?
Rice suman with coco jam and decaf coffee.
Oh, decaf
Wow.
coffee
For
pa.
those who are at 9 o'clock onwards, they just want suman and they don't want to stay awake. They just want...
So the market is beyond 9 p.m. Something.
Yes.
Oh.
The province suman coco jam with coffee vibes.
Kakaiba yung...
Kakaiba nga.
At midnight.
Alam mo,
10,000 pesos, I think I'd
hindi
make-
ka nakakatulong sa populasyon sa Pilipinas. Gusto mong tumaba yung mga tao.
Oo nga eh.
The thing
May
is,
midnight snack na
the
sila.
thing
Mali
is-
yan, mali.
The thing is, sabi mo, 10,000, kailangan ko kumita.
sige, oh.
Sure yan, kikita ako nun. I don't know.
Oo
What do you think? Based on your prowess in the food business.
Yun.
Yan yung pitch ko, ano?
Sa akin.
Sa tingin
Dahil
mo?
suman sa'yo, gusto mo tumaba yung mga tao.
Oo.
Sa akin naman, gagawa ako ng drinks naman ako.
Okay.
Kasi ayan yung pinakamadali eh.
Actually.
Para sa akin, drinks. Tsaka
Yeah.
sa 10K, marami kang magagawa. Siguro
Ay,
sa
super.
akin, based ngayon sa nangyayari sa market, maraming conscious. Si Danny, pinapataba kayo, no? Pangit ang ugali nito. So kayo,
Oo.
papapayatin ko
Pinapakrave kayo ng suman eh.
Food!
So kayo, papapayatin ko naman kayo.
So anong drinks
Yung
mo?
drinks na yun, yung ano, yung siguro yung pinaka, sa akin, guyabano.
Oo.
Alam niyo kung bakit? Anti-cancer yun.
Talaga?
Yes.
Oo nga.
Ang daming matatanggal na sakit sa haluan ko ng malunggay.
Okay.
Naku.
Kasi dahil sa pandemic, marami ng health conscious niyan. Kahit anong lasa, lalaban
healthy
yan.
shakes.
Healthy shakes.
Healthy shakes.
Na ready drink.
Ready to drink.
Yes.
Naka-tetra or?
Yung-
Tetra or
kahit
naka
lagyan mo
ano,
sa-
naka bottle.
kahit
Bottle.
Sa plastic, pwede mo. O kaya gawin mo yung sa sagu-sagu-gulaman. O gano'n mo. Bigay mo.
So 5K.
Diba? Last time nga, nag-trending tubig lang. Diba? Nag-trending magic tubig. Oh.
Oh.
Actually.
White gulaman.
So, wala pa akong nakikita na gano'n na drinks na yung conscious talaga like yung guyabano nilagay na malunggay. Nasa yun na yun, paano mo i-create na magugustuhan ng Pinoy. Pero sa akin, dun ako. Sa unique
Okay.
ako. Yun yung nakikita.
Naku, nakatingin na sa akin. Kasi ako, nagpa-process pa ako. No? Magkakape ba ulit ako? Magda-divert
5,000.
ako ng iba. Oo. Kasi kung kape, syempre, alam na naman natin, nakikiuso na yan ngayon.
Kaya ba siya ng 5K?
Ay, kayang-kaya.
Oo nga naman. Kasi nga yung nagawa niya was 5K rin.
Oh,
Yung
that's one
MD.
thing. That's one thing. Another thing is you can sell in like cold brews.
Right.
In bottles.
Right,
So that's
right.
super cheap then. You can make a lot of bottles in just like one brewing lang
Correct,
natin.
correct.
So that's another one. So, but see, napaka-unique yun sa inyo eh. Napapaisip tuloy ako, ano ba pinaka-unique na pwede? Magda-divert
Kape
ako
mo,
ngayon.
lagyan mo ng malunggay. Oh.
Malunggay coffee.
Actually, may mga malunggay coffee din. Although, instant sila eh.
Oo, di ba? O,
May mga,
sabi
di
ko
ba?
sa'yo, Hindi nahuli yung utak
Instant
ko eh.
coffee siya, but with malunggay extract or
Okay.
something. So,
Last time,
yeah.
actually nga, Gab, nakita ko nga dun sa may video nyo sa Binblock. Sabi,
Oo.
episode 1. Ano yun? Sabi ko, nilagyan niya ng Sprite yung coffee.
Ay, nakita mo yun? Oo.
Gab ko ano pinagagawa nila. Oh.
We tried
Pero pwede
Yakult.
yun. Pwede
Oo.
yun.
Di ba? Which is, pwede kang gumawa ng coffee. Bahala na kasi sila kung anong trip nila na.
Ang lupit nga ng comment section nung sabi Red Bull daw, plus
O,
kape.
diba?
Ano
Ewan
yun?
ko
Ano
na
gusto
lang.
nila gawin doon?
Heart attack.
Baka gumagano na din sila.
Oo, walking in cloud
sige,
nine.
now let's add to the budget.
Ayun.
25,000.
Tumaas na. So,
Naku.
upgrade na tayo niyan.
Anong business ang gagawin mo? 25,000 has to be a food business.
Ako kasi, sisimulan
yun,
na ako.
no?
Hindi.
Initiate!
Yun.
Hindi, kasi ako
sa
naisip
wakas.
ko kasi it all starts sa where you're good at eh. Kasi kaya mong simulan kahit with minimal budget. Let's say you are an artistic guy. So, kaya mong mag-drawing. So, okay na yun. Ano na yung branding mo nun, yung logo mo design. So, nakatipid ka na dun.
Okay.
Now, you can just divert on a different, like food. If you want to focus on, sabihin natin, snacks or fries or something like that. You create a brand. Kasi magaling ka na dun eh. Magaling ka na mag-drawing eh. Then, i-relate mo lang to a fries. Tapos, just have to mark it up lang. In a
So,
certain
kumbaga, hahanap ka ng strength mo na unique sa'yo.
Yes.
Tapos gagawan mo siya ng food.
Yeah,
Oo,
oo.
pwede.
That's what I'm
Pwede,
thinking. Kasi,
Okay.
yun nga eh, kung 25,000, to someone na may talent siya,
25,000.
malaki yun eh. And then, syempre, mapapaisip yan, anong pwede kong gawin sa 25,000? Sige, kuha na ko nito. Sige, ads ko na agad dito. Nagiging something, somewhat sila eh, pang reckless sila at some point. That's what I
Oo.
feel. Nagiging reckless sila kasi ang laki nung laki ng budget nila. Ang dami kong pwedeng gawin.
Right.
Rather than start small, mag-iisip ako how to generate more cash. How to start with less cash, with less
Okay.
money.
So,
Ayun.
that's not like a direct answer. That's more of like only you would know.
Yeah, oo.
You as a listener would know. Like what? Ikaw, Prime.
Bakit ako, Dani? Sa akin siguro yung
25,000.
25. Gagawin ko magtatayo ako ng maliit na kiosk lang. Sa
Anong concept?
Di ganon. Diba?
Anong
Bili ka
concept?
ng second hand na kiosk. Yan. Tapos lalagyan ko na yun ng yung mabilis lang. Yung pwede mo na lutuin sa bahay tapos ready na siya. Parang kuha-kuha na lang. Ganon. So,
Ano nga?
ano ba? Wait lang. Iniisip pa ako. Binigla mo ako.
I feel like
It's a
ayaw
cart.
mo, meron
Yes.
ka na, ayaw mo lang i-share kasi ila-lunch mo eh.
Coming soon.
Kaya ba
Coming
kaya
soon.
kaya ba 'yon ng 25? May inside joke na kami dito, kaya.
Kaya naman, pero medyo
Biten.
mabibitin tsaka yung
Oo nga.
masisira yung branding lang.
Yes. Kasi
Basta,
design siya.
Pero
do you wanna
kaya.
share? Do you wanna share? Actually,
Ayoko na,
I have
Shy type pa ako eh.
I have a brand that I have in mind that I never launched that I'll share.
Ano yan?
Later.
Oo. Hindi ko pa ma-share
If you
kasi
share, I'll share.
gusto ko munang ayusin muna. Kasi mamaya
Okay.
hindi matuloy. Kumbaga pera usog muna, guys.
Ah,
Oo
sige.
nga. Oo nga, baka biglang di
Papakita
masunod.
ko sa inyo yun, guys, pag naayos na yun.
Oo
Tapos
nga,
kung paano
oo
ko na
nga.
tayo, magkano yung puhunan.
So guys, let it be known on this day when you listen to this that I've tasted this concept and it's really good. So I'm very excited for
May
it.
social proof na agad.
Ay,
Yeah.
oo.
Ah, di-
Dapat
Really.
papatest ko nga sa inyo. Kaso
Actually,
lang.
some of our live audience have tried it as well, and
Oh.
they can
Ayun,
agree.
nakatikim na agad.
Tatlo.
Yeah.
Kalupit.
Sabi ko, wait lang ha. Nakatatlo sila oh.
Oo.
I also paid, so I'm the first customer.
Yun nga, siguro yung sa kiosk na yun, ang nakikita ko yung mini donuts.
Ooh,
That's good,
okay.
though.
Kasi
Yeah,
yun,
yeah.
madali lang lutuin yun eh. Pwede kang, yung shape lang na maliliit. Na ano lang yun eh, pinapry lang yun sa oil.
Mm.
Tapos, lagay mo yung mga iba-ibang powder like sample cookies and cream powder na mga ganun. Oh, yan na. Okay na yan. Di ba?
Naku,
Mura lang yun. 25. Baka sobra pa yun eh.
Oo nga.
5K lang yung cart mo. Oh, tapos yung punan mo, 1K, 2K.
Bigla ako napaisip kasi gusto ko din mag-share ako ng direct answer na lang kasi kanina
sige.
medyo indirect siya.
Meron ka na.
May naisip na ako.
Okay.
Ako, if given kasi nakakuha na ako idea eh. Cart din, 25,000 din.
Okay.
Maximum yun akin naman ay siomai.
Siomai.
Siomai naman siya.
Anything
Bakit siomai?
special?
Kasi
Siomai
most of
na.
the siomai na nakita natin ngayon ay sila yung mga processed na, like
Correct,
factory
correct.
processed.
Ready na.
Sa ngayon, yung gagawin mo, ikaw mismo. Own recipe, tapos mas masiksik siya. Kasi yun ang hinahanap ng tao, hindi na yung dos daw na lasang carton daw.
Oo, hindi. Meron pa rin yun.
Oo, di ba? May mga ganun daw
Buhay pa
eh.
rin yun
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
Oo. Saka, ang dami
Siomai.
talaga.
So
yeah.
donuts, siomai.
Siomai, mobile.
25,000, what I would do is because I guess it's because I already have food business experience. So medyo high level na rin yung sagot ko. But I would go to all of the wholesale suppliers
Mm.
and I will repack. Basically,
that's good din.
I will
That's
repack.
good.
Or I will go direct to the restaurants that don't have direct access to the wholesale suppliers. And then I will cut and sell to them.
Pwede.
Whether
Oo,
that
pwede.
be
Maganda.
French
Oo.
fries or meat or yun, 25K, that's enough. That's enough to start na. To start the roll. And that will really snowball into
Yeah,
bigger
yeah.
Correct.
So you're just
wala
be the
kang
sales team,
inventory,
di ba?
wala kang sakit ng ulo.
Oo.
Literally, you just foot the bill and you sell to whoever, di ba? Pero hindi mo rin maisip yun if you're not already in the food.
Yes,
And
exactly.
you won't have these connections if you're not already in the food business as well.
Correct.
Tama yan.
Diba? So yun. So, but 25, that's what I would do.
Mm.
Last but not the least, 50.
Yun, malaki-laki na yun.
That's something now. You can,
Mag-evolve na siya ngayon kasi 50 na eh.
hindi na yan cart.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Oh,
Pwede ka na.
May ano ka na nun.
ano na?
Ako ba?
May gulong na.
Oo. Yung cart na may gulong na talaga yun. Kasi ilain mo nga, wala ka pang rent, 25 lang pera mo eh. So, hinihila mo pa. So, kung ako, initiate. Wow, palakpakan nyo naman ako, di ba?
Dapat may sound effect.
Kaya nga eh. So, kung ako is magre-rent na ako nung place na parang tapat lang nung hypotraffic place na yon, yung kalye. Hindi na dun sa dyan lang. So, magre-rent na ako sa tapat nun. Tapos,
Same concept.
hindi, pwede naman, syempre, kailangan iba-iba. Kumbaga, check mo kung ano yung mag-workout doon sa market na yun, di ba? Ano ba yun? Yung mabilis, syempre, pag sinabi yung high foot traffic, yung mga sasakyan ba or
Oo nga.
mga tao ba yung naglalakad? So, saan ba sila galing? Like, example, galing sa office. So, mga tusok-tusok, no?
Yan, pwede yan.
Yung,
Or schools, di ba?
actually,
Depende.
wala pang gumagawa nito, pero pwede niyong gawin to. Sa ibang bansa kasi, bigyan ko kayo ng idea. Sa ibang bansa kasi, meron dun na mga snack sa labas. Tapos, ng iba-iba. Like ito, kunyari sample, bito ka ng ganun-ganun.
I think sa Taiwan
Yan. Tapos pwede niyong gawin yun na, sa atin naman, Pinoy version. Like, may mga iba-ibang fishball, luto na. Tapos titimbangin. Di ba? Patimbang mong ganun. Sabi, ito, magkano po yan? Kahit ano dyan, timbang. Di ba? Which is wala pang gumagawa nun sa mga vendors na mga, di ba?
Based on weight.
Yes, based on
Yes.
weight na parang
Not
unique.
on type.
Yes, unique kasi yun, especially dun sa mga nagtitinda ng fishball. Ang common na kasi tusok eh. Bakit hindi mo gawin is yung
Grams.
grams tapos iba-iba like may bituka ng Bala kayo kung anong ilagay nyo yung variety na yun na kapag dumaan ka mapapati, ano yan, di ba? Tapos tinitimbang, di ba? Gawin nyo
Oo
yun.
nga.
Kasi unique yun eh, wala pa yun dito. So yun sa akin.
50K.
Oo, 50K yun. Kasi
Solid
red
yun.
ka pa eh. Mag-hire na ako syempre ng tao nun.
Oo.
Yan. Oo. Oh, yan. Ako pala. Ayan, sige. Ito kasi naisip ko na siya. So, hindi na siya unique concept. It's I'm going back to coffee kasi dun naman yung field ko. I'm thinking in events type of like coffee cart. So you can
Okay.
start actually with
Pop-ups.
50,000. Yes, pop-ups.
Parang mobile coffee,
Yes,
no?
for events like wedding, may mga baptism, like any other events, yan, birthdays.
So, coffee stall for rent. Parang
Yes, oo.
Wow.
Maganda din yan kasi
Maganda rin yun.
yes, you can actually bill for let's say 10,000 dyan just for how many cups. And then for one stall, roughly, depende sa stall na gusto mong pagawa.
Oo.
Iba kasi is collapsible lang. So you can range from 15 above 1,000. And then that is already the stall itself. And then for the machine, you can
Pwede
actually
na,
start
kaya
ng
na.
Oo, you can start with French press
Second
muna,
hand.
mocha pot, or second hand. Yan, pwede.
Second hand na
Espresso machine, pwede na yun. Oo, so I think 50,000 pwede na siya. You'll be targeting into events.
5 event
Yan.
lang, bawi ka na.
Bawi na.
Wow.
10,000 yun eh. So 5 events lang talaga targetin mo.
Mag-event na
Yan.
tayo.
Pwede din yun.
Okay, 50,000. Eto na. I'm gonna share a concept that I've been wanting to do.
Yun.
So let this be proof that this was my concept. It's recorded.
Nako, makikita
Right.
na lahat yan.
I've always wanted to do this, but I just never really did it. So you know how, diba, in the Philippines, it's very popular to have French fries.
Yes.
It's popular. You have Potato Corner, you have Potato Giant. That have yet to pay us
Yes.
for mentioning their names.
Not sponsored. Not
5K is
sponsored.
enough. 5K is enough.
So I'll stop there. But there are many more brands.
May isa
right?
pa nga yung twist, yung iniikot.
Oh,
Diba?
basta potato is everywhere.
Yes.
And Filipinos love it.
Yes.
Right? But the business model is very simple. At least yung si Giant, okay? Hindi na natin sabihin.
Oh,
yung buong name.
yeah.
They will make potatoes and they will use just one inventory and they will make different product lines. So may twister, may ganito, may pahaba, may mash, may
Okay.
diba? It's just
Shape.
one it's literally what's your inventory? Wala, potato. One.
Potato lang.
Right? But ang daming product line.
But in terms of product SKUs, madami.
Yes.
Diba?
So you're able to really milk the variety. So
Correct.
the thing is, no one has really done that with bananas.
Totoo.
Wow.
Hindi,
With
napaisip
bananas.
ako eh. Kasi may
Pinray
katabi
yung
kami
banana.
dito, may banana queue eh.
Yeah. The Philippines, ang daming way to cook bananas.
Yes. Correct.
So the name of the concept I was envisioning is Sabana. Kasi sabat banana.
Oh.
So yun lang yung SAQ mo is saba and banana. That's it. But you will cook it in every way possible. You want banana Q, you want turon. You want
Okay.
you want banana pancake, imamash mo lang yun. You want banana ice cream, i-freeze mo lang yun.
Oh.
'Di ba?
Yeah, it's
As
a
in
good concept
what
din.
else? You want banana chips? We have banana chips.
Sobrang saya ko sa recommended mo na yan.
'Di ba? Gawin natin.
Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Healthy na yan this time. Kaya kanina suman.
Oo.
'Di ba? We get it, 'di ba?
Gets.
50,000 saba and banana, that's all. And then nasa staff na lang kung paano lutuin, ganito
Yeah.
ganyan.
Kumbaga, 50K na yon super, yung banana na yun, super grabe yung brand, no?
Yeah.
Pang malakas yung branding, pero banana lang yung binibenta.
The thing is if that was in a mall, I would eat there.
Are you banana lovers?
Yeah. Turon,
Then
mood ko today turon. May turon. Mood ko today what do you call that?
Banana queue?
Banana Q. Or gusto ko lang ng banana chips.
Maruya.
Diba?
Maruya.
May
Maruya.
mga ganun din, diba? Masarap yun.
Oo, favorite ko yung maruya eh.
Diba? So my
Puro
point is
breading.
literally everything banana, right? So that's what I would do with 50 and I would
Yes.
enjoy. I would enjoy
Dapat may
creating
sabakong
the
yelo din.
concept and whatnot. Kasama na yun.
Sama din. Oo.
Makikilala
Sweet
ka
treats.
sa tawag doon? Yung yung sinabi ko nakalimutan.
Ano yun?
Maruya.
Maruya. Unang
Maruya
kagat
King.
breading.
Unang kagat breading lahat.
Oo. di ba?
No, because-
At least nakilala ka. Sumikat ka pa.
And then the thing is, ang simple niya eh.
Correct.
Diba? Hindi siya ganun ka-complicated. And I've tried the different types of product and I like them. I like them. I eat them myself. Diba?
Yeah.
At the same time,
Parang nag-crave tuloy ako.
diba?
Ano nga, pabili mo na ng banana dyan.
But at the same time, I've tried, did you know, literally, all you need to make banana pancakes is banana and water. You just mash the banana. And then you will, if you put it in a hot pan,
Yeah.
it will be like
So
pancake.
no need for flour yun.
No.
Okay. That's good. So magandang
And if you mash banana and then you freeze it,
Mm-mm.
you just add maybe sugar. Kahit hindi na nga eh.
Uh-uh.
If you freeze it, if you use a spoon, it will act like ice cream.
Oh, so pwede
So,
ding
pure
try.
banana ice cream.
Pwede mo pa
So
ipakain
pwede
sa
kong
baby yun.
pwede yung
Diba?
banana na pancake.
Oo nga, pang
Nestle.
baby food.
Pwede yung banana na pancake, may ice cream a la mode pa siya. Banana a la mode pancake.
Banana
diba?
over the banana.
Oh,
Another
diba?
Okay ba? Okay.
So 50K.
Kaya kids and adult, pwede to.
Of all ages will enjoy.
Kahit
So-
nga infant na bagong baby.
So alam mo na
Pwede din.
Prime, next project natin.
Sige. Magbebenta na kami ng banana ni Danny.
Sabadan.
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 Sabadan. Oo nga,
Sabadan.
Sabadan. Tapos yung outfit mo pang Ramadan.
Naka-banana suit ako doon. Hi, hello
Di ba?
sir.
Ang ganda ng outfit mo nun.
Oh. So yun. So we gave suggestions.
Yun.
We gave our experience.
Yun.
But the whole point of this episode is yung budget, 'di ba?
Oo, correct.
Yung if wala masyadong budget, paano? So the last question is, saan ba nakakakuha ng budget? Ayan.
Sa wallet.
Ayan.
Or sa
kung
wallet
wala?
ng iba.
Paano kung wala?
Sa wallet ng iba.
Pwede sa wallet.
Alam mo
Wallet ang iba.
So other people's money.
Yes,
Oo.
ito tawag
Yun
nating
yung point, ano lang namin.
OPM.
Oo,
Yan,
OPM. Other people's money.
Yes.
Oo.
Correct.
So ako, ito, easy to remember. The 3 Fs. The 3 or the 4 Fs. Friends, family, fools. Fools.
Ooh.
Like people who are crazy. They just wanna believe in you.
Correct.
Ang daming ganun. Diba?
Basta lahat ng letter F.
Friends, family, and fools. Diba? So,
Napapaisip ito na mga ibang F.
And then Friday mo hihingiin yun.
ayan. Kasi F din yung
Oh,
Friday.
yes.
Oo.
Kulit.
Sorry, Danny.
So yun, so I've been in the food business quite some time and I cannot count the number of friends, family, and fools that have helped waste
Correct.
their money on me, diba? But, diba, at least na-try mo yung concept mo, pinaglaban mo yung gusto mo
Yeah.
mangyari.
Correct.
So, yun, lapitan mo yung tatlong yun.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
Lapitan mo at ready ka na dapat mawala ang pagkakaibigan niyo.
Ayan, oo.
Joke lang yun. Depende yun, syempre, case to case pa rin yun.
Just to add lang, do you need capital ba talaga if you want to start a business?
Well, everyone, there's this saying, you need money to make money. Do you believe that?
Yeah, yes. Oo. I do believe, but well, if you have the skills naman din, you can make use of that skills and talents.
Yun.
to make
Actually,
more
yan
money.
yung pinaka-biggest lesson ko. Kasi food is a capital-intensive industry.
Mm-mm.
Oo, pera talaga yan.
You need money in the food business, at
Yes.
least to start. And then
Correct.
puro gastos pa siya.
Mm-mm.
Papaayos ka,
Dami,
magbabayad
oo.
ka ng rent,
Lalo pag may
magbabayad ka
dine-in
ng
pa.
tao.
Ayan,
So, if you can get into an industry that is more of a service-based industry, yan, baka that's a better, di ba? Discourage na lang, wag na kayo
Huwag niya kayo
mag-food.
food. Pero tama naman din yun. Magastos talaga siya. Oo.
It's an industry that's magastos, so you need to love it.
Exactly.
If this is an industry that you have a heart for, then you will do well. But if
Yes.
it's not something na you just wanna make money, it's not the
Yes,
industry
oo.
for you. So yun. Yeah. Any closing
Oo.
words?
Ako, hindi pa natin tatanong where to get money.
Ayun.
Where to get money.
Wallet nga daw. Tapos
Ay, wallet.
OPM,
Okay.
di ba?
Ah, sige.
Talaga, Gab. Saan ka
OPM.
kuha?
Oo.
Pwedeng OPM. Pwede ka namang tinatawag
Pwede
na...
kang mag-loan.
Yes, oo. Although we don't, ako kasi I don't
Loan ka,
advise na
pwede
loan
ka
eh.
mag-loan.
That unless na expansion ka na eh.
Yes.
Hindi, I mean, yung wala ka talagang pera,
Pero
doon
wala
ka
talaga.
mag-buy.
Utang with family, friends, and fools.
Yun.
Utang.
Yes. Utang din. Kasi it's either they give you the money for exchange of percentage in the company.
Yes, pwede yun. Pwede
Which
yun.
is what you call like equity, basically. Or you borrow the money.
Oo.
Yes,
Ay, kasi possible
oo.
yun eh.
I don't like borrowing money
Oo.
though.
Pero meron kasi mga tao na hindi ayaw magpuhunan eh.
Yes. They want to play safe eh.
Depende yun. Pero para sa akin na, kung magbabaro kayo ng pera, mababa lang, tsaka matuto tayo magbayad, syempre.
Oo.
Diba? Baka ma-chismis ka pa dyan.
Oo,
So,
payer ka
mo.
pala.
Hindi ka pala nagbayad, no? So yun, pwede ka manghiram. No, maraming ways. Pwede nga i-swipe mo yung credit card mo eh. Wala, di ba?
Don't do that, guys.
Swipe.
Unless you're
pag-
desperate.
Yes.
Oh.
Or,
Learn from our mistakes. Yun na lang. Oo.
Tama.
Iba kasi yung sinaswipe ni ni
Ano?
Nani. Hindi,
And we'll leave
hindi
that
sa akin
for the next
Eto
episode.
para sa akin, Dan, kung
Oh.
kukuha ka ng pera, naniniwala kasi ako na lahat ng mayayaman ngayon is umutang.
Yeah, no?
Walang
Tama
negosyante na walang umutang.
yes,
Correct.
yes.
Maniwala ka kahit tanong mo yun. Kasi especially yung mga nakakausap ko like $1 million company sila na sinasabi nila na yun yung talagang naging reason bakit sila naging malaki dahil umutang sila. Pero sa tamang way mo siya gagamitin.
Good debt.
Yeah,
good
good
debt.
debt.
Oh,
Ako
so
kasi
how
ganun
do you
din
know?
pala,
How do
utang.
you know what's bad and good?
Yung mga hindi mo naman dapat binibili, pala swipe ka inuutang mo. Yung mga hindi naman
Wag
dapat.
liabilities.
Sample.
Tama, diba?
Sample lang is, bago mo iutang sa, let's say, credit card yung bibilin mo. Like example is inventory.
Mm.
'Di ba? Pwede mo naman swipe yung credit card mo, bili ka doon kung ano yung kailangan mo, like price. Oh.
Nababalik naman
Yes,
sa'yo.
babalik yun. And make sure
Paano
lang,
yung staff salaries? Ganun.
ay, yun ang di natin walang utang yun. Sabi mo,
Oo, hindi
1
pwede.
month utang mo na ako sa'yo.
Naku,
Sila ang
magreklamo
utangin
yan.
mo.
Oo, sila. May utang ako sa kanila 1 month.
Patay tayo sa dole niya.
Oo. So, ganun. So, yun yung mga ways na make sure lang na mababalik mo siya.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Kasi sa akin, mas okay yung ganun eh. Wise lang talaga. Ako, wise ako kasi gumamit ng utang.
Alright.
Totoo.
So there you have it.
Oh, yun.
So where you get money, friends, families, and fools. If you don't have money, use other people's money. If they don't wanna give you money, borrow the money.
Yeah.
That's
Oo.
it. So yun. Hopefully this episode gave you insight into
Yes.
starting a food business with little budget. But I feel like the biggest lesson to learn from this is if your heart is not in the industry, then don't waste your time.
Correct.
Oo nga.
Yun. Sabana. Let's go.
Sabana.
Alright.
Bana.
Thank you and see you next time. So if you've made it this far into the episode and you like what you're listening to, please do make sure to
Like, share, and subscribe.
on all our social media platforms. That's What's Hatching POD. See you.